So bunions form when each toe swivel in and you have this exposed bone right here. It can cause a lot of pain, it can change the way you walk. So why does it happen in the first place? And a lot of times it's because these bones in the middle are just simply stuck and they're not moving very well. So in a normal gait pattern, when you bring your weight over on top of your foot should flatten out like this. These bones separate and open, and when you push off, you can push off your toes relatively evenly and go. Now watch what happens when these bones become very stiff and it doesn't move. Instead of spreading out like how it normally should, what it ends up happening is dumped over. And when it dumps over, you see how that creates more of an opening of this joint right here. And now when you push off, it's gonna look more like this. So the solution isn't to address the bunion itself directly, although you can. So wearing toe spacers and things, they can help, but it doesn't really address where the problem's coming from in the first place. So what do? You need to get these bones to open up. And how do you do that? Well, you can use some wedges here, and you can put some wedges like this, one wedge right here, and you bring your weight on top of it, and you open up these bones here, taking the stress away from that bunion.